Hello traders, today is 18th of February, Tuesday 2020, and I would like to share with you today's best forex trade analysis. Just before analysis, I would like to show you my trades today that I've managed 145 pips through live intraday analysis with the live RD squawk support. As you can see, all these analysis and the breakdown of all of my trades, all these trades are 100% based on the analysis which broadcast instantly in real time, as you can see here. And one of my trades still is in profit, and the stop loss is the break even. And if I show you my trade when I open this trade, as you can see, this is my opening price, and that is the based on the analysis which broadcasted here. And now I have received message to consider banking some pips. That's why I moved my stop loss at the break even. And if I show you this analysis here, this was the analysis broadcast as 1404 GMT. As you can see, look for the pullback short. As you can see, the price nicely develop a pullback short. Beautiful short trade I've taken, and still is in profit, as you can see it. All right, so let's move to the analysis now. Okay, on pound yen, as you can see, on the left hand side is the analysis, the right side is the trade taken based on this analysis. We were expecting a pullback short, as mentioned on the analysis. The momentum is very bearish, so any pullback, as mentioned here, that if the price can respect this orange EMA, and you can see the price nicely respected, beautiful pullback short trade on pound yen. Pound dollar, as mentioned through live RD commentary, that if the price gonna touch this orange EMA and respect, then we should be looking a pullback. Otherwise, we should be looking these levels for the pullback, which as soon as the price respected, we got an announcement through live RD commentary, took a short trade and banked beautiful pips on pound dollar. Euro pound, pretty straightforward. You can see this was the triangle pattern breakout long trade. And pound yen, as we can see, we managed to bank some pips. After that, price develop another pattern, as you can see, and based on the momentum, as always mentioned. So we had a beautiful long trade, and I personally managed quite interesting pips. Round about each trade, I managed around about 38 pips or 35 pips on each trade. So beautiful breakout long trade, counter long trade. And also we did analysis in 4 hour. Based on that, we basically we took this long trade, beautiful breakout long trade on pound yen. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward. This was the another breakout, long trade. And dollar CAD, pretty straightforward consolidation breakout, and then pull back. Two beautiful long trade based on the momentum, as you can see, long trade on dollar CAD. Dollar Swiss franc, pretty straightforward. As you can see, the price nicely developed a beautiful pullback long trade. And Euro USD, pretty straightforward. As you can see, this was the triangle pattern breakout based on the momentum, beautiful, and the price nicely hit to the final target. Beautiful short trade. Kiwi dollar, pretty straightforward, as mentioned on the analysis, that we should be looking a pullback. As you can see, the price came back, breaken and retest, and then you can see it, beautiful pullback short trade. Pound Swiss franc, pretty straightforward. We were expecting a pullback, as mentioned on the analysis. As you can see, the price develop a pullback and break, and another small long trade on pound Swiss franc. Pound yen, pretty straightforward, a pullback. You can see a beautiful pullback long trade. And then once we bank some profit, and as soon as the price broke, then we did analysis in 4 hour. Based on that, we mentioned, look, the price has broken, to give us the confirmation. If the price respect the previous high and retest this level, then we should be looking a short trade. So as you can see, based on this analysis, price nicely went back and retest another short trade. Then we announced another analysis of breakout of this one, which you can see in a minute. So pound Swiss franc, pretty straightforward. Price develop another triangle pattern, beautiful short trade. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward. We had this breakout and we banked some profit, one of my traders, and then we announced through live RD commentary The price came back, so let's see if the price gonna respect. Probably we're gonna get another pullback. Otherwise, we should be looking at breakout short trade because we did analysis in 4 hour. The price was at 200 EMA, and we mentioned, guys, and the price is going to reverse, but we need a valid technical reason. And most of my traders basically bank beautiful pips on pound dollar, pound yen. As I mentioned you previously, we had this breakout and the retest, bank some profit, and then we announce another pattern straight away. As you can see, say, guys, if the price gonna break this pattern, because we can see the bearish momentum was developing, another took a short trade. And as always, the first target would be the first fib channel. Beautiful short trades on pound yen. Euro USD, that was my the last trade. As you can see it, this was the pretty straightforward. As you can see, the beautiful pullback short trade on Euro USD. Euro yen, we had amazing trades on Euro yen pullbacks. As you can see, based on the momentum, we mentioned, look for, we had a one pullback, bank some profit, and then develop another pullback. As you can see, based on this analysis, we had it another beautiful pullback short trade, bank some profit here, and then we announced another, look for another pullback through live audio commentary. We took another short trade and banked some profit on euro yen. So beautiful, trades on euro yen today. So, all right, guys, that's it for today. And if you want to watch live intraday analysis in real time, most welcome to join my fast growing trader community at ashrafnoor.com. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for the latest analysis. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you next time with more analysis.